Welcome to the home of Madhu and Badri. Madhu and Badri came from US and bought this 10-year-old villa property here in Bangalore. And the house really did not meet their expectations. So when they went to their friend's house, they referred inner space to them. When Madhu reached out, she had only two inputs. Anchal, I love colors. Bring teal blue to bright pink, all of them in my space, and also make it very practical and functional to use. We managed to stitch both these things beautifully in this house. And since this was a renovation project, there were a whole lot of challenges. And I think Yogi will have more to add.
Challenges are probably a little bit of an understatement. In renovations, typically what happens is we start off with a certain scope of work in mind. But at the end of the day, everything balloons into something much larger. And something very similar happened in this case as well. We've worked on every space in the house, right from their flooring to their bathrooms. Even their terrace and their backyard has been redone altogether. But having said that, all the effort that we put into the space, we love the way it's turned out now. Okay, and a new lease of life in almost every corner of the house. We do hope Madhu and Badri love it equally and more, and we wish them all the best in this new home.
And I really hope that they love coming back to their home in India now.